Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 11th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Aquarius, I don't know what happened. I dream about my father-in-law, my ex-father-in-law. So this is a song for Mr. Wellet. Jesus Christ, good morning. Happy Veterans Day, Mr. Wellet. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Him I say him wants a nice Him say him would like to be free. Joanne, him would like to be free. Norman say him wants a nice body. Him I say him wants a tiny body. Him say him would like to be free. You ready for start war? Joe, call me if Joanna fuck you good. Norman, me say call somebody else. Norman, call me if you know, sister Joe, I need help. I better say our thing don't out. I better call somebody else. Norman, call me in. Me want a big body. Me want a big longer gate. Norman, just call me in. Call me in. Whoa, him want a big man a day. Him want a call me if. Norman, call me in. Whoa, 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 Norman, me just want you get in your element. I be the president. Now, since you know how to build house, show me the resident. Jamaican gal say ever in a fashion, always trending. Me like a man what build my house with passion. Outstanding, fling the jaws away. Fuck him today, Joanna for come back tomorrow. Fling the jaws away, fuck him my day. But like a roll, fling the jaws away, fuck him away. And it's not like a roll, fling the jaws away. Make me and you go take a horse riding class. Hey, I don't know. It look like it's Veterans Day, so we're starting fucking war around here. She should have never come in my blood clot business. She wants to mash up my marriage. I'm going to mash up her own too. Anyways, good morning. Let's just go ahead and go into your reading. Norman, call Mr. West. Call me if Joanna fuck you. Me I have somebody else. Me say me don't know where your son gonna find me from Jamaica for. Jesus Christ, if your son did ever know when we would have cars up in this shit. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go. Let's see who did you incarnate as in this lifetime? Aquarius. We got the 5 of Wands. Regardless who you incarnated as, I'm getting there's a lot of fighting right now. Tell me the fuck about it. Anyways, so this could also be a fight for a living. Me getting a fight for a living. Me don't know if you box. Oh, yesterday I was hearing something about the boxer. Is either the boxer, the wrestler, or the fighter. Somebody's a boxer, wrestler, or fighter, something like that. So me getting you fight. No, I don't know if you fight with weapons for a living, but me getting a fight for a living, okay? What is your past spiritual gift? Or a spiritual gift in this lifetime? So last, you incarnated as a fighter, and your spiritual gift is a fighter. I'm getting you can fight. I'm getting you can fight with weaponry. I'm getting close combat, I'm getting fighting. You can fight with stick, wood, sword, anything. So your spiritual gift is you is a soldier, is a warrior, basically. Yeah, today is 11/11, Veterans Day, okay? Maybe you used to fight when you're younger, or when you're younger, you used to in a beer bar fight. Me getting a beer, me getting the way how your hand look, how much people you're punching at them face, or how much people you fight, me getting your hand them look broke up. I don't know if you used to do this when you were younger, but me getting apparently fighting is something you like. So I don't know if you fight professionally, you love fight. What is your weakness? The Ace of Pentacles, you fight for money. Someone's getting right now, money is dry, there's not a lot of money, you don't have no opportunity, you can't get work, me getting you a fight. I don't know if you had the underground fighting, me getting you a fight for money. Not that you're fighting over money, me getting you in a one competition, and the way how you're gonna win that money here, you're gonna fight for it. What's your strengths? I'm getting money low. Or I'm getting from your little, all you knew was fighting. So now you turn an adult, you do this professionally now. The 9 of Cups is your strength. I'm also getting you're a fighter, and I'm getting your alcohol level is like 98%. I'm getting you have very strong liver or kidney. So I'm getting you don't fight when you're drunk. But I'm getting after you finish fight or when you're not in any altercation or any confrontation, you drink. So I'm getting that's actually good for you. It might help you deal with the aggression. How are you using your skills to help? The 9 of Cups, drinking again. So I don't know if because of the hits, I don't know if it's because of the adrenaline what in your system. I'm getting something about this is protecting you. Alcohol, spirits. I don't know if you take a shot and then go fight. Because I'm getting you fight intoxicated. When you're intoxicated, you fight wild. Or me getting when you're intoxicated and your fight is clean cut. I don't know what that means. So how are you using it to destroy? How are you using your gifts to destroy? The 4 of Pentacles. Me getting a lot of people, you're inspiring a lot of people for join this, but not everybody a fighter. So me getting you were born a fighter, you had to fight all your life. Maybe you were an orphan, you just always had to fight. Me getting money tight, you drinking though, you always been drinking. Me getting, I don't know if that's helping you fight or to help you to deal with everything, the trauma of every single thing what happened to you. But me getting you're influencing a lot of people for want to fight for money now. And me getting is not everybody can fight for money. Not everybody can take a hit, a good hit, and come back from it. So I'm getting maybe that's what it is. I use it for destroy. Like I know Floyd Mayweather did inspire a lot of people for want to start fight for money. But everybody can. Floyd Mayweather is a fighter. Yes, you want jump and go in MMA, you want jump and go in boxing. He's not Floyd. He's not Mayweather. He's not Pacquiao. Stop it, right? So I'm getting your influence a lot of people for going into it. It's not your fault that you're influencing people, but I'm getting you really come from fighting. Other people come from 9-to-5 job and nannies, and then they want on fighter. So a lot of people might blame you. You're the fucking reason why my son wants to join the MMA and I hate you, it's dangerous for him. They want to blame you. Maybe your son wants a quicker way to exit this lifetime since you're such a bitch. Maybe that's why your son wanted to fight for a living. Because he can't fight you, right? And let's see what your outcome is. The 2 of Pentacles is your outcome. So I'm also getting, right? This could also be in a one fight, or you fight over something. I'm getting somebody come and part it, de-escalate it, ask you why you fight, and you tell them, say, oh, it's over money, them owe your money. I'm getting the man just give you money in your hand same time and say, come to this event. I'm getting you take the money, you come to the event, and you say the whole of them bet on each other. Then put down money on fighters and bet on each other. So maybe this is something you're into, Aquarius, okay? Or I'm getting you're making a bet, Aquarius. You're sending one person up against another person. Maybe you're sending an air sign and a fire sign against each other. Or something like that. Or 2 different teams. No, the ones is black people and this is white people. The source is white people. Source is usually white people. Ones is usually black people. It could be a division when it comes down to black people and white people. There's a debate. But I should say this though. There's a debate between black people and white people over who going to get this, who this person will represent, who them going to fight for. But I'm getting the white people are the one who have the sword. So I'm getting, if you want to know what the more damage is, the swords, it's not the ones. The ones can break. The swords, the more damage, them can penetrate. So yeah, let's get some of these and we'll leave it here. Take a break. We have program. We have go outside. We have LGBTQAI+, and we have forbidden fruit. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.